Vanakkam friends, I'm Dr. Vanangamudi, and this presentation, the objective questions on plant nutrients and the PGRs, plant growth regulators. And this is the continuation of my last video uploading, and here I will be dealing only the objective questions. Before starting this topic, I would like to inform you, as I told the last video, I was responsible for writing a PhD thesis in management sciences, and it's a lady student and it's a daughter of my undergraduate, that is BSc Agri classmate. We passed out in 1975. It is very interesting topic. The topic is the influence of the impact of organizational change and technological shift on the employees' performance in IT sector companies, ranging from small, medium, and large companies, and Tamil Nadu, in particular in Coimbatore city. And this was approved by one external examiner, foreign origin from Israel, and another Indian examiner. He is from the management faculty from Telangana state, and she will be having the public viva on the 4th July at Tiruvannamalai, where that college is located. And it is very interesting topic for me because it is out of the agriculture sciences. But anyway, I am very competent to write any the faculty thesis if you provide a valuable data. Thank you very much for this opportunity. And here I will be presenting the only objective type of questions. The first one is the MCQs, multiple choice questions. And there are about 10 the questions. I'm not going to read all the options, but I will read only the question as well as the correct answer. The first question is, which element is essential for the development of ATP in plants? ATP means adenosine triphosphate, and the element or the nutrient is phosphorus. This is the correct answer. Second question, which hormone promotes stem elongation and as well as it breaks the seed dormancy? Very, very classical the hormone PGR, that is gibberellin. The third one is, which nutrient is vital for pollen tube formation? Naturally, this is calcium nutrient. And the hormone responsible for fruit ripening, this is the fourth question, and it's nothing but the ethylene. This is the correct answer out of 4 options. And the fifth question, who discovered hormone ABA, abscisic acid? And the correct answer is Adicott and Waring. And the sixth question is, zinc plays a major role in pollen formation. This is more important. If you apply, there is any deficiency in zinc nutrition to the plant, and there is a reduction in pollen growth and development. The seventh question, auxins are responsible for cell elongation. As I told in my previous presentation, this is mostly used in the tissue culture, developing tissue culture saplings. and siblings or whatever it may be. And the eighth one, which who invented the discovery of cytokinin, and the scientists associated with the discovery of cytokinin, that is the question, and the answer is Skook. And the ninth question, which nutrient deficiency leads to poor flowering and seed set? And the correct nutrient that will impact on flowering and seed set is boron. The 10th one, abscisic acid is a hormone that induces seed dormancy in most of the crop plants. That's all about multiple choice questions. Next, the question type is fill in the blanks. And there are about only 5 questions I have prepared for this topic. DAS is known as the ripening hormone, ethylene. That is the correct answer. The central atom of chlorophyll is magnesium, Mg. Don't forget, this is magnesium. Okay. And the third question, the Phillips, the blank is dash is necessary for cell division and embryo development, that is cytokinin, and this plays an important role in the cell division and embryo development of tissue culture plants. Not only tissue culture, all vegetative propagules. The father of plant nutrition is Justus von Liebig. Don't forget, this is most important question. The father of plant nutrition is Justus von Liebig. The fifth one, the which hormone promotes flowering in long days? That is the answer is gibberellin promotes flowering in long days. Then the third type of question is match the following. I have given two columns, column 1, that is column A, and column B. You have to match the column B answers with column A, the points. And there are about only 4 questions I have given. Auxin, it is utilized for cell elongation. Number 3. Abscisic acid, and this is for, what is that? 1. That is seed dormancy. It induces seed dormancy. That is the matching answer. The third one, cytokinin, and this is responsible for the embryo development. Okay, this is responsible for embryo development. That is the correct answer for match for that cytokinin. Ethylene, it involves in fruit ripening. That is the correct match. Boron, pollen germination. The function of boron is pollen germination. That is the correct answer. Correct matching. And the fourth is true or false. And mostly each question carries about 1 mark, and some examiner ask about half marks. Potassium regulates stomatal opening and water balance. This statement is true. Gibberellins promote dormancy in seeds. False. Because it breaks the dormancy. Not promote means it induction. No, not induction of dormancy. That is the false statement. We have to more careful about these wordings sometimes. You might have read that the gibberellins breaks dormancy, but it promotes dormancy means that is inducing dormancy. That is not correct. The cytokinin delays senescence in plants. This is a true statement. Boron is not required in pollen reproduction. It is very essential for the pollen formation, and it is not required in plant reproduction is the false statement. Ethylene is a gaseous plant hormone. Yes, it is a gaseous plant hormone. I think this is the last section. The short answers with questions, short answer questions. There are about 5 questions. Write 2 functions of gibberellin in plants. It promotes cell elongation as well as breaks seed dormancy. Mention any 2 roles of boron in plant reproduction, essential for pollen germination as well as increasing the fruit and seed set. Name any 3 macro and 2 micronutrients that are essential for plant growth. You can write nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. These are all the macronutrients, and minor micronutrients are zinc and boron. These 5 are highly related to plant growth and development. And what is the role of abscisic acid in dormancy? That is the 4th question. ABA, abscisic acid, induces seed dormancy by preventing precocious germination. And 5th one, who discovered auxin and in which plant pot? The auxin was discovered by Wendt, and it is isolated from oat coleoptile. This is more important, relevant answer. And that's all about the objective questions and answers. I told you in the last video itself, I have I have uploaded many the important topics in slide share. This is my slide share link. Kindly note it, and you can go to the slide share of my pages, and about more than 50 materials have been uploaded, and you can either read or you can download the material and keep it. You very important points. The one word answers or one line answers. And this is, you are aware of that, my YouTube link. This is my YouTube link, and both these social media are highly relevant, and that will be useful in succeeding your future aspiration or future endeavor. Thank you, friends, for your patient hearing. Thanks a lot. Okay.